it's now time in our garden to go ahead and lower and lean our tomato indeterminate slicers that we've been string trellising. So we have the plant, as you can see, we have the plant pruned so that the tomato cluster is the first thing between the roots. It's the first thing it comes to on the plant. And it has now grown taller than the bottom of the tomahawk. And so that's when it needs to be lowered and leaned. And so there are two of these of the seven plants in this structure here. Two of these need to be leaned now. So I'll show you how we lower it, how these can be lowered and leaned to continue having them grow. Again, this is only for slicer indeterminate tomatoes, so make sure you're not trying to do this on the other tomatoes because you won't get a good result. So first off, what I'm going to do is take and lower this a little bit, and I'm going to pull on this, get this out, and then I'm going to let out some of this string. So what I do is I go ahead and let some down, and then what I'm going to do is move this one over here. And I'm gonna wind this around and shorten it a little bit. So now notice how it was above the top of the tomahawk beforehand, but now it's leaning over and there's more room for it to grow. So now I'm going to take the next one and I'm going to pull this off, and now I've got this one. And this one I'm going to again take some, is lower it by letting loose some of this string. And then I'm going to lean this around. Over to this side. And so now I have about another foot that this can grow before it needs to be leaned and lowered again. And I have, a few inches, so maybe I'll go ahead and probably lower this one a little bit more. Okay, and that's how we lower and lean to keep these indeterminate slicer tomatoes going all season long until they get killed by the first frost.